Hi, in this tutorial we'll be learning about Composer in PHP and how to install Composer in your macOS system. So first of all, Composer, it's a tool for dependency management in PHP. It allows you to declare the libraries your project depends on, and it will manage them by installing and updating them for you. So it basically makes your life easier so that you don't have to focus on trivial issues. Now, how to download that? You just have to go to download and you will have to just type in all these 4 lines on your terminal. So this is the terminal we have, and we will just paste one line. You can copy paste these lines as well. So now all the settings correct for using Composer. So now we have the Composer installed in this folder. So if you will see, now we have these two files, composer hyphen setup.php and composer.far. So composer.far is the executable file, and if you want that composer command to be usable like this. So for now we have installed it, but how to do that in your system when you don't have that installed, or that particular command is not usable on your system? So by default it will throw an error because you have to move this composer.far in the slash user slash local slash bin. So if you'll see user slash local slash bin, then you will see a lot of files over there, and there will be composer as well. By default it is not there, so you have to move that. So for that we have this composer.far, and you have to move it to user local and then bin. Yeah, and once that is done, now your composer command will run. It was running for us, but now it will run for you as well, now that you have the composer.far, the executable file, in your bin folder, so that you can use that as a command. So this is how you install Composer on your macOS system. It's very easy. It just takes a bit to read the manual or the documentation. Yeah, all the best for your projects.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.